My brother, una good evening o. So good afternoon or good morning, depend on where una for dey watch me from. So na me be una person wey dey come dey give us the wetin dey happen for either our city or for Italy or anywhere you dey. So the reason wey make me just quick say make I quick come out so na make I come quick clear wetin some of our people still dey ask me say this 600 euro wey im dey give. So im say im dey give am no be those people wey dey lay off wey dem dey call a casa de integración go fit apply for this 600. No be those people wey dem know say dem lost to their work, dem dey receive wetin dem dey call disoccupation or disoccupazione. No be those people go fit receive this 600. The people wey go fit receive this 600 na people wey dem know say dem put their paper for autonomo wey dem dey call partita IVA or VAT, or people wey dem know say dem dey work for stationary or any work wey dey has to do with farm work or agriculture work, or people wey still dey work for all these tourist guides wey dey take tourists around, or people wey still dey do all these summer work, or people wey still get some contract wey dem dey call cococo or prestazionale occasionale. All those contract wey you know say the money, if you no come out you no fit go work and the money no dey big, na those people na go fit apply for this 600 wey im dey give person, because of the boom wey im talk say anybody wey the way dem take apply na so dem take receive money. So a lot of people just apply for this first 2 days. Na im make the be like say the site come be like say crash and some other thing come still happen. But now im say make una no worry say nobody go dey left behind. He go say dem go try make dem give those people wey dey merit am, wey I talk so, wey be all these people wey I don mention, so people wey dey autonomo, wey dey get their own VAT or partita IVA, people wey dey agricolo or agriculture, or wey dey do farm work, or people wey still dey do any other summer work or any other tourist guide, or wey dey work for cinema, or wey dey do any other work wey dem know say e dey under this category. But no be those people wey no get work wey dey receive disoccupation or disoccupato, or no be those people wey still dey receive layoff or a casa integración, no be dem dey talk about. So I don clear that one now. The another thing wey Comu just still new bring come out in my last video wey I first see talk reach half, dem come bring am come out. If you know say you dey live for Bologna, you fit apply wetin dem dey call shopping voucher. This shopping voucher, so dem dey give am to people wey dem know say their family, their nuclear family, dem no too much dey economically okay. So government come break am into different segment wey I wan analyze. So no be person wey you know say he don receive money for maybe disoccupation wey pass 780. If you know say your money pass 780, dem no give una priority. The people wey dem first give priority be say anybody wey know say dem receive money wey less than that, na im get this priority. So na those people Comu first answer before dem answer those people wey their money or reddit or income wey dem receive till on the 31st of March e pass 780. Those one go come fall under second category. So according to the first category wey still dey the declaration wey I will still read to us, may I first start with the family members. Any family members wey be one person, dem go give am 150. If the person there be two, dem go give am 250, and if there be three, dem go give am 350, and if there be four, dem go give am 400. If there be five, dem go give am 500. If there be six or and above, dem go give am 600. But the requirement, na I come say may I come break am to us now, be say na the way you take do am, you fit do am by yourself. Na but the requirement, make una lis ten very careful. The first person wey dem say make dem fit give be say na people wey no get job, wey lost their job, or wey dey reduce their hours for the place of work. So wey dey reduce any of their social service or social assistance service. So those people fit apply. So those people wey their work still suspend or their particular EVA dey suspend am sake of say dem no fit work, like those people wey I first talk before wey dey agriculture, summer work, tourist, or any other autonomous work wey dem no fit work because of this coronavirus. Those people fit still apply. And those people wey dey still know say the money wey dem receive for March no still reach 780 go fit still apply. So you still fill a form wey dem dey call self-declaration, say anything wey you dey talk so na real and you no pass that amount wey you talk. Then the another thing again, any of una nuclear member or member of your una family, the way e take dey for according to the law of the land, if una know say una get money wey dey account, whether na post office or bank, if the money reach or pass 10,000 euro, the person no fit apply. So if the money reach or pass 10,000 euro, and if you go look your movement list and the money pass 10,000 euro, which is on the 31st of March, the person no fit apply. So any money wey dey below or 10,000, which is on the 31st of March, and the money dey there, whether post office or any of una member, if una gather all the money together, e pass that money, those people no fit still apply. So anybody wey dey do farm work or stationary work, you fit still apply for this bonus. And this bonus voucher, if you wan apply for this bonus voucher, you make sure say this form wey dem dey call self-declaration, so you go fill am, you go cross the area wey you know say your contract of work fall under. If na farm work or stationary work na you get, or you get particular EVA, or your work don finish, you no receive any money, you no dey disoccupation, you fit still fill those form. And if you fill am, you go send am to this email address wey I wan read, so wey dem dey call bonaspesa@comune.bologna.it. Bona, I will spell am na BUONISPESA at comune .bologna.it. If you send am to that email address, so you attach your document wey you make sure say e dey valid, and you go send am to that email address. So they go, if they don receive the form, if you meet up with the requirement, they go send you the shopping voucher to that email address. The shopping voucher to that email address, e go get barcode wey anytime wey you wan go do spesa, it's either your phone, you just show them, they'll pass am for the machine, you go take the money, or if you see print am out, as the case may be. So those people wey get this shopping voucher, so na im go fit use am take do only shopping or any other this thing wey you dey around your community. So na im make me say may I come bring this one come to us. So those people wey ask me say dem wey dem no get anywhere you dey go, or wey dem no get any money wey dem receive, so this one na another opportunity, so wey you fit still take get according to the numbers of family you get in your family members. So that's for that. Then another thing again, my own advice wey I would like me I still tell our brothers and sisters wey you know say they get any their brothers or papa or mama dey Africa, more na tell them the way this coronavirus dey, so the way they fit take dey waka for this very period, because we wey dey abroad, so if you tell them something, e go dey more easier for them to obey than go dey let the government come dey use violence take dey beat our people or our brothers and sisters. We no suppose to be like that. So make you sit let them know say make dem no let dem dey deceived because of say the way most pastors come dey use or other religional people come dey use Christianity say make dem come, God go protect dem. Make una try, make una talk to dem, make dem stay for indoor, make una provide money for dem, make dem still take arrange themselves so that if dem still dey safe, our mind for here go still dey at rest. So na this few information now say make I come just drop for here, make I still tell us say na so the thing take be. So if you apply for this shopping voucher, if you no reach your hand, you know say the requirement you no meet up with the requirement. But if you still reach your hand, you still thank God. So I still remain your brother Anthony. Please don't forget to subscribe, so that any information still come, I'll still come here, come still share am to una. So the email again, don't forget, na bonispeza.chiocciolacomune.bologna.it. I come again, bonispeza@comune.bologna.it. Thank you very much. Send out to that email address and you'll receive the shopping voucher. Bye bye.